What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back for another shop update. It's Wednesday here in Ilwaco, and we got a lot to share from you. From new products to fishing report, stay tuned because we got a lot to showcase. Jumping into things, first we're going to hit on what's back in stock. And we got quite a bit back in stock. From bucktails to easy shrimp eyes to easy shrimp legs and T-board reels, we have a lot, but we brought out a few to showcase. So easy shrimp eyes and legs now back in stock. We have a ton of colors, every color that they make, all back in stock, both sizes. Not only that, but they're diamond eyes. If you haven't seen these, really interesting product, check them out. Another one that's been a hot item that we finally have back in stock, the Everglades reel from T-board. They're back. We have them in both frost and in black. We do have quite a few in stock, so we're looking forward to these being on the website for some time. If you want one, now's your time to grab them. As we slide over and look at what's new, we're going to see some timely products here. We got the UV2 Spirit River beads. These are going to be a great option for those of you that are going to be bead fishing for steelhead or that are going to be using a bead across the country. We now have them in stock on our website. Pete fabulously photographed them, so we are very excited about that. As we continue to slide into all of these new products we're about to showcase, these are just got up on the site, but inventory is going to be added slowly over the next 24 hours, so bear with us as we onboard each of these products. But as I said, we will put them in the new arrivals section, so check those out. We've sold a lot of nets over the last few years, but now we have the Net Release 2.0 system from Fish Pond. Really excited to add this. We'll probably do another video showcasing just exactly what that is. Another new product from Fish Pond that we have, the Fly Pluck. This comes in two colors. They're stackable. Again, we'll rehash all about that product in another video, but those are live on the website. Here's the one we've all been waiting for. The Spawn 25mm bulk shank. We got thousands of them. So we're really excited to add this to the Spawn bulk shank family. It follows our design through and through. This will be a 0.8 millimeter gauge wire, stainless steel, so it will follow that same tapering that we use across the board in our Spawn bulk shanks. Just another addition to the family. Another Spawn product, we didn't exactly reinvent the wheel here, but we do have some white labeled Spawn swivels. So it was easier for us to just buy them in bulk and repackage them. So again, we didn't reinvent the wheel here, but these are quality swivels that we use for different fishing applications here in Southwest Washington, and we know people use them across the country. Last two products that we have here are the South Fork wading belt and the Loon floatant bottle holder. So two really cool products are new to Spawn Fly Fish, and we're excited to showcase these here today. I know that's a lot of information for you guys, but we wanted to showcase all these products, especially our Spawn shanks. As I said earlier, look forward to all of these being live on the website in the new arrivals section within the next 24 hours. So be sure to add these to your cart, and as we move forward, we will continually add products to that section. Now, what everybody's curious about, how is fishing on the coast of Washington? This week, in the last 7 days, we've had some ups and downs. You know, there's a lot of rain that's come and gone, but if you look at our rivers, they've peaked here early this morning, and it doesn't look like we're getting a lot of rain here for the next few days. So, watch the river gauge and be prepared to make the trip out to the coast. It is going to be go time late this weekend, early next week. Be prepared. Make sure your box is full of flies. Any last minute thing that you need to get ready to catch your winter steelhead, be sure you have in order because it's going to be phenomenal. If not, we got a lot of still water fishing that's been very, very good. They just dumped 100 excess steelhead into Black Lake here, just a couple hundred yards away from the shop. And I know some people are getting into those, and it is a lot of fun. Last thing we want to talk about, we always mention a few dates. Fly time this Friday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Pete is leading an epic class yet again. We have only a couple spots left. If you're looking to join, be sure to reach out ASAP because it will fill up. We really appreciate everybody tuning into these shop updates, and we will see you guys next week.